Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of our video in the software testing lifecycle phase. This is going to be the fourth phase. The first phase is requirement analysis and gathering. Second phase is your test strategizing and planning. Before that, we'll do estimation. And third phase is a test design phase, that is writing scenarios, test cases, preparing test data, RTM. All these things will be your right third phase, and this is the fourth phase. Okay, fourth phase is nothing but test execution. Here comes a validation. Till now, we are doing the verification. Here I was done the actual validation. That is nothing but actually you are going to test the application here. Okay, in your test design phase, you would have written test cases, prepare test data, and then set up the environment, install hardware and software. You would have done everything. Okay, after done everything, it will be moved to the execution phase. That is like normally I was working in a project where I'll do system testing task. Okay, so I'll do the testing work here. Okay, test cases will be reviewed, finalized, approved by the team, and after test case is been reviewed, we have to execute the test case. Okay, we have to go and read the test case, open the application, input the test data in the application from the test data sheet. Then we have to see actual result, pass and fail. Okay, we have to see actual result, pass and fail. So this is what we do in your test execution phase. So what you do is you go read the steps, read the test case, read the expected result, go and input the condition application, and you write actual result, pass and fail in your execution phase. And you do all types and levels of testing which you did, right? System testing, integration testing, system integration testing, performance testing, secure testing, regression testing. You do all these testings in this phase. Okay, and update the test cases with pass and fail. So you are going to write compare expected result and actual result and put pass and fail. This is what you do in execution phase. The very first testing you do start with the smoke testing. Once smoke testing is passed, you go for a sanity testing. As we saw in the sanity testing is more right, wider and stable application, whereas smoke is an initial build application we saw in the previous slides, right? So you are going to update the test case with pass and fail. Then you are going to perform regression testing and retesting. Okay. So if there is any bug reported, you do a retesting. At the last day of the sprint, right, you do regression testing. Before the last 2 days. In my project, we used to do at the last 2 days the regression testing. When a bug is raised, you do retesting. And if there is a bug, you prepare a bug report and you will send to the corresponding team. And you are going to update in RTM. RTM you're going to see very shortly now. And next one is prepare the test log report. So all these things you are going to do in your execution phase. You start with the smoke testing, then sanity testing, then go and read the test case, input the condition application, and do right pass and fail. If it is pass, you prepare a log report. If it is fail, you prepare a bug report and report the team. Once the bug is fixed, you do retesting and regression testing, and then update in RTM and prepare the log report, and you are going to circulate to the team. So this is the flow in which the execution phase happens. Okay, hope you got it. Next one is bug life cycle. Is a very important topic. In commonly in all the interviews, they'll ask for this bug life cycle. Okay, when a bug is raised, what are the phases which undergoes? That is called as a bug. As I told you, expected result and actual result is not same. It's called as a bug or a defect. So what happens after that? After that is called as a life cycle. So all those things which is right here are called as a status of a bug. What is the current status of a bug? Normally, bug you will report in Excel sheet or lot of management tools like Azure, Jira, Realm. We have lot of tools where we report the bug. TFS. Okay, what is a new? When tester finds a bug and files a bug, that is called as a new. Tester finds a bug and files a bug, that is called as a new. Next, A tester is filed a bug, it will be assigned to a particular developer. That status is called as an assigned. Normally in board, you will make that particular right developer name. Right, you'll put the tag that particular name so that you will be assigned to do that particular work. So he is going to check the open the bug and is going to check whether it's a duplicate bug, rejected bug, not a bug, and a deferred bug. Duplicate means same bug already you posted, again you are raising it. That is called as duplicate. Rejected bug means you are telling it's not a valid bug. What you write is not valid, it's working, but you raise it wrongly. There are a lot of reasons for a bug to come: environmental problem, hardware problem, system issue, server issue, database problem, data not there, application issue, developer making mistake, tester making mistake. A lot of reasons. They will find what is the reason and they reject the bug. And deferred means that bug is postponed to the next sprint or release. We can't do lack of time. We already have to complete lot of stories, so we'll do it in the next release. That is called as a deferred. And not a bug is telling invalid bug. Okay, once he tells it's a valid bug, he is going to fix that bug. That is called as a fixed status. Okay, after it's fixed, it is going to the pending retest. It's waiting for retest. Tester comes into picture, is waiting for retest. He takes that, opens a bug, and is going to retest. He is going to check that bug is been fixed or not fixed. Once it's retested, it is verified again and it's closed. The bug is closed by the tester. But what there is a status called as reopen. Due to some other change in the code, maybe later also, that bug again came. That is called as a reopen. Again, the life cycle goes till it gets retested and verified and closed. That is called as a rebug. New bug is called as a new bug. Already an existing bug again came. That is called as an reopen. Hope this you learn something out of here. All these things are called as status of a bug. Deferred means is postponed to next release. Duplicate means same bug again came, raised. Verified means checked, approved. Yes, it's been retest. It has been closed. So retest, verified, and closed testers will do. New tester will do. Assigned, right? It will be assigned to a test developer. Open fixed, it will be done by right developer. Duplicate, defect, reject, and all it will be done by developer. So all these things are called as an status of a bug. So here we prepared one bug report template for our JS testing, right, academy, right. So first will be bug report name, next one is right domain name, project name, next one is serial number, bug ID or defect ID, bug description. Bug description should be in detailed. The description of the bug, expected result, actual result, and the environmental detail and the browser detail. You can also input the test data also and the steps also in the description part. So make sure the bug is very clear to the developer. He is not rejecting the bug. The sentence should be proper, simple English, and it should be clean and tell to the point what you saw and how you tested and how you find the bug. It should be very clear. Okay, next one is steps to reproduce the bug and severity of the bug. We'll go into see shortly severity and priority. And next one is you have to add the screenshots of the bug. Next one is test data. If you are passing any test data should be there, and you are giving suggestion to a developer whether it can be reproducible or not, yes or no. You are giving a suggestion to the developer when it's reported and whom reported the bug. Like that, you have to form a template and report all the bug description is very important. On opening the EB application, entering correct username and with invalid password, it was observed that application is accepting. It should not accept, that is expected, but actually it's accepting. So you should describe in a clear, simple sentence what you found and what you are trying to communicate. Okay, this is how you are going to report a bug. Okay, now this is a bug template. Next one is severity and priority. Severity and priority you will put in the bug report template. Severity is done by testers and priority is determined by project manager or lead or senior tester or a scrum master or right product owner. It might be anybody, but severity is done by the testers. You are the doctor, you tested the patient, right? You should tell the severity. Okay, severe tells about the impact of the bug or how severe is the bug. Priority tells that when to fix the bug. It talks about the business. If there are some 10 bugs which is reported in a severity wise, based on that they will put priority prior by chasing the priority only they are going to fix the bug. So we will raise the severity in the bug report by seeing that the people from the other team they will put the priority. So a developer is going to fix the bug based on the priority. Okay, hope we are clear. Okay, so severity and priority can be classified into right four actually. One is critical, next one is high, next one is medium, and next one is low. Critical means right a very critical, right? The application crashed, server down, database went down, right? It's not loading. Those things are called as critical. Major means I am unable to search a train, check the availability, withdraw amount, check the balance, flight tickets are not displaying, unable to book the ticket. Like that, all these things are called as major. Next one is moderate button is date of birth is not working, calendar is not working, cancel button is not working, OK button is not working. Those things are called as moderate. Low means there is a spelling mistake in username field. Cancel font size is not good. Color there is a small problem. So all these things are called as low. Based on the severity levels, they will put the priority. So severity is classified into S1, S2, S3, and S4. Priority also is classified into P1, P2, P3, and P4. Okay, hope you got it. Next one is RTM. RTM means requirement traceability matrix. So what is the purpose of RTM means, right? You will create this RTM in the requirement phase itself. Like you will take an Excel sheet and you put all the requirements in the Excel sheet. At each phase, you will see how far the project is going on. Like after design phase, all the test cases will be updated there. After the execution phase, all the results will be updated there. For a requirement, how many scenarios is been written, how many test cases been written, how much is fast and failed, and totally how many requirements, how many scenarios, and how many test cases. Like that, you can able to see everything in a single sheet. That is called as an RTM. There is one question asked, right? How will you ensure the client requirement is met? For that, the standard answer is RTM, requirement traceability matrix. We can see how many functionalities have been completed, how many test cases have been passed and failed, whether all the test cases have been executed. At any point of time during the STLC phase, you can track the requirement. You can create this RTM in Excel sheet or a lot of tools, the recent tools like ALM, Jira, Azure Docs, right? You can track the RTM in all these sheets. Okay. RTM can be forward traceability and backward traceability. From requirements to defects, you are tracing, that is called as a forward traceability. From backside, you are tracing. If there is a bug found, what is the test case? What is the scenario? What is the requirement linked to it? Tracking that is called as an backward traceability. Let me show you an Excel sheet which we prepared. We prepared this R team in our JS Testing Academy. We kept the requirement ID, requirement type, module name, scenario ID, test case ID, and pass and fail. So we created this sheet so we can able to know, see how many requirements there, 13 requirements, and how many scenarios there, how many test case there, how much is passed and how much is failed. Like that you can able to track the project status at any given point of time. That is the purpose of RTM. Okay, so next last one is test log report. As I told you, in test cases you have written till expected result. Actual result pass and fail, it will be in your log report. Okay, actual result pass and fail, it will be in your log report. That is what is the execution phase, guys. Hope you learned something out of it. Okay, we'll meet you again in the next video. Have a great day. Happy learning. Bye.